This 2022 Grand Design Reflection 303 RLS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Curvel's RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 32 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 6, spare tire kit, microwave, oven, TV antenna, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, external shower, water heater, auxiliary battery, DVD player, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features kitchen island, mid-bath, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Reflection 303 RLS is 9,694 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Curvel's RV.